won't you meet me by the beat? Well, if maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit.
How can you know, Jaden?
Any city.
How can you know?
No one need kisses, no. Hey, baby, won't you meet me by the beat? Well, if maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Tamia here, and I am back with a brand new video for you guys today. In this video, I'm going to be showing y'all what is on my iPhone 11. My phone is in the purple color, and also my case is from Amazon. I can link it down below if y'all want to check it out. It's basically just like a kind of like an outer box, but it really doesn't like protect the face of the phone, but I do have a screen protector on it. I really do like this phone. I like the size. It's a nice size for me, and I also like that I can customize it with the widgets and stuff like that. Anyway guys, I don't want to make this intro super long, so if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all give it a huge thumbs up. Also make sure y'all follow me on all my social media, which is linked in the down below, and make sure y'all subscribe for more of my content. Anyways y'all, let's go ahead and get into this video. This is what my lock screen looks like. My wallpaper I got off of Pinterest, I believe, and I literally just look up like butterfly purple aesthetic background. My entire phone has like this purple aesthetic going on, and y'all will see that whenever I unlock it. So y'all, this is just my home screen. I did customize my home screen with all the widgets. I'm not really going to explain all that in this video, like how I did that. So if y'all want to see that in another video, just let me know and I can definitely make one. But first of all, up here I just have the calendar, and today is December 14th. It's actually my nephew's 6th birthday. Happy birthday, Caius, I love you. This widget right here actually has pictures in it. So I want to keep it on this one because I really like this picture. Next to that I have 4 little apps. First I have an app folder that says social media, so this is where all my social apps are. First of all, I have Instagram. This is what my Instagram looks like. I try to upload like at least every few weeks or so. Next I have Twitter. Twitter is literally a world of its own. I actually didn't start getting on Twitter until I got to college. Yeah, if you want to follow me on there, my name is @TamiaRayShine with the underscore at the end. Next I just have my Safari app, and that's literally just the internet. And then I have Snapchat. Y'all can definitely follow me on Snapchat. Then I have YouTube, and then YouTube Creator Studio. Obviously those are for what I'm doing right now, my YouTube channel. I have Pinterest. I love me some Pinterest, y'all. Literally I'm on Pinterest 24/7. Pinterest is where I find like Instagram picture caption. I look up like photo shoot inspiration. Pinterest is literally the place for inspiration, so download the app if you need like some daily inspiration in your life. And I have Facebook and Facebook Messenger, which are both strictly used for family and friends only. Oh my god, it took me so long to get that sneeze out. So on the next page I have this app, and it's called We Hearted. It's actually kind of similar to Pinterest. I don't know, it's more for like stock photos. And then I have the Discord app, which is used for my Forex group chats. And then I have my camera app, notes and photos. And then I have this folder called mail. So I have my Outlook email, which is for my UNT email, like my college, and then my Gmail, and I have 2 separate emails in there. I have my contacts folder, app store, and then I have another folder here. It really doesn't have a name, it's kind of just like miscellaneous items, but I have the weather app, settings app, and the clock app in there. And then next to that I have another widget with the time display. Down here on this bar at the bottom, these are like my main apps that I kind of use, not on a daily basis, but I use them a lot for the most part. So I have messages, I have music, and I do pay for Apple Music. I have a lot of like stuff in here right now. I've been listening to some of these mixes. I have some Keisha Cole in here because I was trying to get ready for the versus battle, and then they canceled it. Honestly y'all, I don't have one single taste in genre. I'm just like all over the place. It's just me. And then I have my FaceTime app and my telephone app. So on the next slide I have another widget smith at the top, and it has a quote in it. So it says, "Those who move forward with a happy spirit will find that things will always work out," and that is the literal truth. I absolutely love that quote, so I have to keep it up there. And then I have another widget smith below that, and this one has more pictures in it, so I just got like a bunch of different like pictures in there. We're just gonna keep it on that one because I like that one. On this page I have a lot more like downloaded apps. So in the first folder I have my finance folder. So in here are all of my financial apps. So I have my Prosperity app, that's my bank that I bank with, my Discover, that's my credit card. Then I have my Apple Wallet, that's where all of my cards are at. I have all my cash apps. So basically those are apps that I can transfer money with. I literally accept all forms of payment. We got Venmo, we got Zelle, we got Cash App, and we got PayPal. Next I have an app called Active Building. That's where I pay my rent for my apartment. And then I have Shopper. So that is the Instacart Shopper app. It is a grocery delivery service and it has been so good to my pockets this past month. On the next page I have Quad Pay and Afterpay. So those are like buy now, pay later apps. And then I have MetaTrader 4 and What is Forex. So those are like 2 apps that have something to do with Forex. Next I have a shopping folder. So in here are like all of my shopping apps. So I have Family Dollar and Dollar General. I have those because sometimes I go to the dollar store and I like to get coupons. I have Forever 21 app, which is shopping. Amazon, more shopping. I have AliExpress, and then I have Unidays and Student Beans, which are 2 specific apps made for college students. So if you're in college and you need discounts, download these 2 apps. I have Michael's app, which I use for coupons. That's the craft store. Y'all know I love arts and crafts. And then I have Fashion Nova and Shein. Then I have a folder called Photo. So in here are all of my photo apps. So I have Fonto, Pixar, and VSCO Cam. I use all 3 of these apps to edit my YouTube thumbnails. So if y'all want to see like how I edit my thumbnails, definitely let me know. Fonto is basically used for text and stuff like that. Pixar, I kind of use it to get like the outline and like cut out pictures and stuff like that. And the VSCO Cam is strictly used for filters and like adjusting the lighting and exposure, contrast, all that different kind of stuff. Next, I have a folder called TV and Music. So in here are all of my like entertainment apps. So I got Netflix, Hulu, BET Plus. I have Roku app, which is for my TV because you know you can use like the Roku remote. And then I have SoundCloud, and then I have Airtime, which I really enjoy Airtime because it's kind of like an app where you can FaceTime people and y'all can watch movies together. I also have Spotify. Next I have another folder. These are all my maps. So I have Apple Maps, Google Maps, and the Waze app. Please download the Waze app if you are a speeder. The Waze app literally tells you everything. It tells you when there's hazards on the road. It tells you when the police is near. Next I have a folder named School. So in here I just have a bunch of different apps for school. So I have Google Docs and Google Drive, Khan Academy, which I really haven't used a lot this semester. I also have Mathway, which is like a really advanced calculator, Quizlet. Everybody knows about Quizlet. I shouldn't even have to explain what Quizlet is. And then I have Microsoft PowerPoint, and I also have Microsoft Word down there as well. Then I have Student. That's just Student Canvas. That is literally where I log into all my classes for UNT. That's where I check up on my classes, check up on my grades and stuff like that. And then I have Microsoft OneDrive. And that's just a lot of different like stuff that I can access that's on my computer, and I can access it on my phone. Next I have Zoom app. Everybody knows about Zoom University. I have UNT Transit. That's just like how I catch the bus, even though I haven't rode the bus at all this semester. Socratic, it is kind of like a hit or miss, but basically it's kind of just like photo math, where you take a picture of the math problem and it solves it for you, but you can take pictures of any kind of question and it'll look it up on Google. I have UNT Mobile, which is basically just like the UNT app for all the students. They go on there, they can update like statuses and stuff. I don't really get on there though. GroupMe, which is basically just like group chats and stuff like that for different classes that I take. I have the e-reader from Chegg because I had a book that I bought on Chegg, and sometimes I didn't want to like pull out my laptop, so I would just read it off the Chegg app. Translate, this is the new Apple Translate app. If y'all don't know, I take Spanish and I'm taking Spanish 2 this next semester, so the Translate app has come in handy. And next to that I do have the Spanish dictionary because like I said, I am currently taking Spanish. So y'all, in this last folder, it is called Tools, and in here it's just a bunch of boring apps. So we got voice memos, compass, the measuring app, calculator, the Find My iPhone app, and then also this app called Documents, which I actually use that to like download videos and stuff like that from Twitter and YouTube. Anyways y'all, next to that I have another widget, and it just says Romans 8:28. That is one of my favorite Bible verses. It's literally hanging up right there on my wall. I have to remind myself that the Bible verse says, for those who love God, all things work together for good, and that is a very true statement. Okay, on the next page I have another widget with a quote in it, and it says, chase your dreams and trust God. If He brought you to it, He will bring you through it. And then I have another widget with a picture of me. This is one of my favorite pictures. I absolutely love this hair. So y'all, that was all for my what's on my iPhone for December 2020. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Also make sure y'all follow me on all my social media, which is linked in that down below. So yeah, anyways, I will see y'all in my next 12 days of Vlogmas video, and yeah, bye bye.
Count 1, 2, 3, and don't you stop the music, get into it, won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it, you can do it, won't you dance with me?